So now you know a little bit more about the campuses the University of Reading has to offer and where they are. You might know where they are in relation to each other, or you might have no idea at all. So we're going to take you from White Knights campus down to London Road, and then from London Road into the main town centre. This is one of the bus stops that leads up to the university. The 21 bus service actually stops inside of White Knights campus and takes you all the way down to Reading train station, which is perfect for students who are trying to get home. Now we're going to take Redlands Road down to London Road campus. There are several off-campus accommodation halls just a few streets away from White Knights. That is Wantage Hall. And this is London Road campus, located just down the hill from White Knights. Now Redlands Road will take us to London Road itself, which will lead us directly into town. So now we're at the edge of the sort of main sphere of influence of the university, and down this way will take us into the town centre. Over there is the Oracle and is Reading's largest shopping centre. It's the main place for shops, the cinema and eating out in the town, and it's a great place to come and visit when you first arrive, and there's a beautiful river. There's loads to see inside, but let's go look at the other shopping streets. This is Broad Street. It's the main shopping street in town and also leads into the Oracle. There's plenty of variety on these streets, including several major fashion and food brands. Reading's second largest shopping centre is this, Broad Street Mall. It has several large department stores and chains that the Oracle doesn't have. Down this way is Friar Street. It's the most popular street for clubs, pubs, restaurants and other entertainment value down here. Students love Friar Street, and Freshers' Week will most likely have a club night in one of its many venues. This way to the train station. So you've made it to Reading Station. The walk wasn't terribly long, and depending on which route you take, there are definitely some beautiful things to see. There are also some parks around here, perfect for picnicking and grazing, especially around the station, so definitely go and check those out. Finally, this is where the bus 21 will take you all the way back up to White Knights, or you can get off earlier and enjoy the scenery on your walk back to campus. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.